Manuel. Today we're gonna test the jump starter. Imazing is the brand. So let's test how good it is. Let's do it. Alright guys, so today we have a new video and we have this Imazing or Imazing, I think is the name. It's a jump starter and a power bank too. So let's open the box. Let's see what is inside of the box. Okay guys, this is what it comes in the box. The jump starter, you can turn it on here. 98%. It has a flashlight. Let me see how you turn the flash. Oh, right there. All right. Okay, it's a good flashlight. It has two USB connections. This one is to connect the cables. This one right here, you connect them here. Okay, and it has this one to connect this one. If you have like a cigarette lighter connection, you can put it here. And the cable to charge it has a case, and this is the box. So you can charge any of your devices, tablets, your phone, music players, video games, like portable video games. So it has a flashlight, multi-protect safety system. So it means if you connect the cables in the wrong spot, it won't charge. Okay, so it will protect your car too. Has the USB, the cables for the battery. The brand is Imazing. The model is IM29 jump starter. It's a power bank too, so you can charge any of your devices. Okay, so you can jump start any of these vehicles, like a truck, car, boat, motorcycle, and this. Okay, what else? What else? What else? This is the model G29P, capacity 74 Wh. The input one is 5 volts, 9 volts, and 12 volts. Okay, and the output 2 is only 5 volts. The output and input, that is I think this one input, is the USB type C. You can see it right here. All right, dimensions, okay, it's in millimeters. Okay, I will put the size in inches over there in the corner. Okay, perfect to jump starting 5 or 6 cylinders vehicles and motorcycles. Okay, start amps 1000 amps. Okay, peak amps 2000 to 25,000 amps. Okay, usage sorry, temp minus 20 Celsius to 60 Celsius. Okay, has the LED flash with SOS, so it flashes, and then the smart cable. This is the smart cable because it will turn on the screen here. So I already told what is in the box, so let's test this thing. Let's see. We're gonna test it. We're gonna disconnect the battery because my battery is fine. All right, it's good. So we're gonna disconnect the battery, put this one instead of the battery, and let's see if this one can start the car without the battery. Okay, so let's do that. All right, this is the plan. Oh, sorry that the car is dirty. I didn't clean it, but this is the plan. I'm gonna remove the negative cable. I'm gonna disconnect this, and I'm gonna put the clamp to this one and this one disconnected, and let's see if this one works. Okay, let's do it. All right, we have the power bank. We're gonna connect it in here, and connect this. It has only one way for the connection. Okay, so it only goes like this. Okay, so it's doing something. Okay, so it means it's ready. Let's put this one here. So, whoa, the red one goes with this one, and this one put it like so. It says 15. What it says 15 volts. Okay, so it's ready. I think you don't have to press nothing anymore. All right, so it's ready. As you can see, it's not connected. So let's see if we can turn on the car without the battery. Okay. Okay, we're in the car. Okay, so the car is on. Okay. So it works. It says something on the screen. That's because I don't have the battery connected. Okay, but if your battery is bad, it will tell you. The thing is gonna beep if the battery is bad, but it works. All right, so as you can see, it worked. Let me disconnect this so I can disconnect it. Put it over here, and let's put this thing back. Let me see. Put this thing, this back, and this where I left this. So now we're gonna test it and see if the car starts. All right, that's it. Oh, sorry. That's because it didn't have the battery connected. So the clock, I have to put it again, and this one is gonna reload. But it works, and the thing from the screen is gone. Okay? This one has to load, and it works. So it's very easy to use. See? Gone. Good. Okay guys, this is the Imazing jump starter. This is great. I like it. It's very good. This is around $90, 89 something, so $90 this one. The link is gonna be on the description of the video. This is great. You can use it to charge your devices and also to jumpstart your car, or probably a friend's car if it's probably in the freeway stuck or something. You can help your friends and your family with this one. This one is great. It's a must tool that you should have on your car, okay, or on your house, okay? So let me know what you guys think. The link is gonna be on the description of the video. your comments, your opinion. Put it in the comments, please. And if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.